Hello everyone, and welcome to the AutoCAD Elite AutoCAD Secret series, in which we will be going through many 2D AutoCAD commands and getting you started on your AutoCAD journey. Okay, in this video, video 1, we'll be using the line, the trim, and the offset command. Now these commands are over here on the toolbar in the AutoCAD Classic view. Now we can also type these commands, and we'll be doing both in this tutorial. So the first one, as I mentioned before, this one is over here, is the line command. So to get started with this, we can either click it and then start using it, or we can type line like so and hit enter, or we can go up to the draw menu up here and then select line up there. So with AutoCAD there's always multiple ways you can get to the same place. Okay, but we're just going to type it and we're going to start drawing. Now I have some settings put on here. I have the snap setting, which means that, as you can see, the cursor snaps to the grid, snaps to different locations, which means it kind of sticks on them. I have the grid command, which means that this grid shows up, which allows me to draw better. I have the object snap command on, which, as you'll see, we'll demonstrate this now. I will draw a box that is going to be 500. I just hit enter. It's going to be 500 down this way, and then 500 across this way, and then it comes up. And as you can see, that little orange box, that's an object snap. It allows you to choose corners and specific parts of objects that you might want to choose. Okay, and the next part of this tutorial is going to be the offset command, which is over here on the modify toolbar. That's this one here, and as before we can click it there, or we can type it, or we can select it up on the modify menu. This one will be the offset command right there. Okay, so what we want to do is we'll just type it, and then we want to specify the offset distance, which for this one we'll just make it 100. And then we want to specify the object offset, which is this line, and then specify the point or side that you want to offset it on. So I want to go on this side, and there we go. That has offset that line. Now, as now we can do, as it says, select object offset again. So we can just continue and click the object, click the side, and it will keep the same distance on there for us, which is nifty. And we'll just hit escape. And I might actually zoom in on this one, so we hit Z, enter, and I want the real-time zoom, which it's already got selected in my thing there, so I'll just hit enter, and then as you can see, the little zoom icon, and then I just click and move my mouse, which moves me in. And then when we get to that stage, we want to pan around, which allows us to move the screen around, so we choose P for pan, or you can actually type pan, and then the little hand comes up, we just click, and then we drag with our mouse to where we want it, like so, and then hit enter, and it's in the right spot. Okay, next up we want to clean up this diagram a bit, so we'll use the trim command by going over here, selecting trim, or again typing trim, and then we select the objects. We'll just go with all, and then hit enter, and then we select the objects we want to trim, which we want to trim this little guy and this one, so that we have an outer square and an inner square. There's probably an easier way we could have drawn this by just drawing another square, but I just wanted to illustrate these concepts to you. Okay, so there we go. That is the line, trim, and offset command, and also you got a bit of zoom command and pan command in there as well. If you want some more tutorials like this, you can always go to our full course, which takes you step by step to learn all there is about AutoCAD and make you a competent AutoCAD drafter. To get this, you can go to AutoCADelite.com. Okay, until the next video, bye bye.